Hey, welcome. Today I'm going to show y'all a little tutorial of how I get ready when it comes to my beard. The first thing I do, I wash my hands, wash my face. As soon as I wash my face, I prep the Derma roll. I put it in alcohol. Once I do that, I first go down, as you can see, with my first I do my beard, then my mustache, then my little goatee, and my eyebrows, because I do need some eyebrows. Um, Once I do that, I go and I apply the product that I use, and then I go over it with the product at least 2 times just to make sure it gets in there. Once I'm done with that, I put some oil and a little bit of lotion on my face just to make it nice and smooth. If y'all are interested in the product that I am using, I'm gonna leave it in the description, a link below. Also, the Derma roll, I'm also gonna leave it in the description down below. If you have any concerns or any questions, please let me know in the comments. I will try to reply as soon as possible. And that wraps it up. Thank you for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all want more content, just give a like and subscribe. Hey, I want to take a quick second to update y'all. I know I haven't been putting videos out like I used to, but I want to keep on this grind. Um, I want to hit at least 500 subscribers, but I need, what I want is, I want to expand on videos, do different things. Just not about the beard. Is okay. It's growing on nicely. I had to pause for a second, as you know, but I want to do frequent, frequent videos to grow the channel. But I want to do different stuff. Like, I want to go into computers. Hopefully, if I could grow out of it and I'm in a better situation, we could probably do some like car stuff. Like, I'm interested in learning how to drift. Um, I also am trying to learn different skills. If y'all have anything that y'all would like me to do, or have any ideas on new stuff that I could bring to the channel so I could make it grow, make it more interesting. Uh, if you have friends that have a patchy beard, let me know. If you are interested in the product that I use, let me know. Um, I don't get, listen, I don't get paid for nothing like this. I'm doing it because this is something that I always wanted to do. I wanted to make videos. I just didn't know what to do. That's why I started with the beard. Right there, there was a big patch. So what I'm doing, it is working. My little mustache wasn't like this. Even here, I only had like 2, 3 hairs. Now I got a little bit more. This one needs a little bit more work, but it used to be a big patch. Look right there. But it used to be. So yeah, that's my goal. I'm trying to grow the channel, do different videos. If you have any ideas, please leave it in the comments. And thank you for watching. If I am, hopefully I'm able to reach the 500 mark. As soon as I do the 500 mark, I'm gonna do a small giveaway. It's nothing big. Um, and I'll see what I could give. It could be prize money or anything for any lucky subscribers. Thank you. Thank you for supporting me. And let's see how we could grow this channel. Marco Blanco is out.